is Cloud by Ariana Grande. So we always need that, you know, to touch up. It's just the girliness in me, okay? Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an exciting video. Today is all about my new baby, my new purchase, my Brandon Blackwood bag. Yes, yes, yes you all, a luxury unboxing. The tape and everything is still on it, so I've been dying to open this bag, this package, and get my hands on everything and just take a look at my new baby, but I want to do this live unboxing in real time with you all, so let's get into it. I have my box cutter here and we're just gonna slice this baby open. Ooh, the moment of truth. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this you all, it's the luxury for me. It's the luxury, the black and white box, Brandon Blackwood, New York. So just a quick backstory before we jump into the actual unboxing. If you haven't heard of Brandon Blackwood by now, he is an African American. Yes, to my people, power to my people. We love to see it. And he is of Jamaican descent, just like myself. So that just makes me so happy, so proud, you all, like, wow. He's very well known for his notable, you know, standout and precise shaped bags, his trunks, and his Kuei bags, which is what I have today. His brand became very popular during the pandemic in 2020 with his ESR bags, which I believe stands for End Systemic Racism, you all. So, yes, you all, that is the backstory of Brandon Blackwood. Again, he's based in New York, I believe Brooklyn, if I'm not mistaken. And all of his bags are vegan leather. So let's open this baby up. Oh my goodness, look, 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 look. Wow. I have like a special card or message here. I love the inside and the interior of the entire package in the box. It's just his logo and his brand all inside. So luxury, so beautiful. So let's open this card or message here. Let's see what it says. It says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. This is what I love about luxury and affordable, you know. Let me come closer so you all can see. So cute, how adorable. I just love the added touches. This is what makes, you know, luxury and these type of purchases just really stand out and make it super special. It makes a difference. So let's get the bag out. It's surrounded by foam, nice for protection. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I cannot wait to put this box on display with my other items upstairs, and yeah. So here is the dust bag. We also love that, a real luxury feel. And now it's time for the reveal, you all. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness, how cute and mini is this bag, you all? I picked up his Kuei restock bag in the Ponyhair Dalmation print. Again, this is one of his signature iconic styled bags with the kind of like double flap here and the zip. I've always loved, like, you know, 101 Dalmatians as a child growing up. So when I saw this bag and it was sold out, I was like so devastated and heartbroken. So cute and unique and creative. So on Friday, May 20th, he had his summer restock and I had to get my hands on it. The only difference between this bag and his original is that the original came with the entire handle, also in the Dalmatian print. As you can see, the new release has a white handle, and I'm just not mad at this at all. Like, I actually love the white handle. I feel like it gives the bag an added, you know, touch. So cute. So I'm gonna remove the foam so you can see her in all her glory. And here she is. Isn't she so adorable? Like, I cannot wait to wear this on date night. I cannot wait to wear this out for brunch with the girls. Like, so cute. Such a statement piece. such a conversation starter as well. Oh my. My hand slides right in between the flaps here. He does have plastic covering his name, which is imprinted in silver. I love bags that have feet on them because, you know, it just keeps the actual fabric of the bag from being dirty when placed on the table, the floor, so on and so forth. And if I didn't mention, the feet are also silver. This bag smells good. You know that new bag smell? Yeah, that's what this smells like. So let's get inside. We have his tag, Brandon Blackwood, with just information on how to care for the bag and how to handle it, ponyhair, shearling, vegan leather, so on and so forth. So inside I see here, I'm gonna do like an up close shot, of course. It's just like one so far compartment for, like, you know, a small compartment for your cards and cash. And then we have a detachable strap, which I actually love this so much, you all. I love when bags have the choice and not a permanent decision. Like the Telfar bag, for example, to remove your strap and add it at your leisure, at your own pleasure. Got some bubble wrap inside. I mean, telling you, they wrap this thing so good. And here's the gorgeous, pretty Dalmation print strap. So cute, also silver hardware. So now quickly, we're gonna get into what fits inside this bag using my everyday items that I carry in my LV purse. Starting with my keys, of course, that's a necessity. So we're gonna drop these bad boys right in here. A travel size perfume. This one is Cloud by Ariana Grande. So we always need that, you know, to touch up. It's just the girliness in me, okay? We need a mask these days. Okay. Our phone, of course, I have the iPhone 13, so I'm sure it's gonna fit in here just perfectly and still have lots of space and room to go. Perfect, she fits in there diagonally, perfect. And you can still put the flap over it, or you can leave her also standing up your phone if you're the type to wear your bag open, like myself sometimes, so perfect. I do carry 2 hand sanitizers, but we're gonna go with the mini one for, you know, this size bag. We always need to touch up our lipstick after, you know, having some drinks and some food. So today's lip combo is a brown lip liner espresso by NYX, a lip gloss by Maybelline, and a lipstick by Patrick Ta. The lip gloss is in the shade Topaz, and Patrick Ta's lipstick is Oh She's Single. So we need all 3 of these to touch up, and they fit in here perfectly. We also need a mirror to accompany that and some powder to also touch up. So today I have my one size Patrick Star powder, and it's nice and flat and compact. So yeah, she fits in there perfectly, and I still have quite a bit of room. And of course, we cannot forget our cash, ID, credit cards, so on and so forth. So I have my Victoria's Secret here coin purse and card holder. It's actually my daughter's because my purse is actually a lot bigger. My Tory Burch wallet is way too big to fit in here. So something small, convenient, like a card holder or coin purse will do perfect for your, you know, date nights and brunch and outings. And these are flat enough to fit inside. And boom, there we have it. Everything still fits inside, and the flap covers. Isn't this perfect and so adorable, you all? Like, oh, I'm about to go buck wild. I'm extremely happy with my purchase, you all. I've been dying to get my hands on a Brandon Blackwood bag and a Brandon Blackwood item, so I'm so happy that this is how my collection has started with him, and I know there's so much more to come. So quickly, let's get into details as far as shipping, pricing, so on and so forth. Again, this is his Kuei bag, Dalmation Ponyhair. She retails for $220. It is considered a mini tote bag. The handles are genuine white leather. Shipping was super fast, you all. It was 1 day shipping. So happy. This shipped out yesterday and it was delivered today right to my doorstep, so 1-day shipping. Absolutely love that. He does also offer, you know, Klarna and Shapellx and installments on the bag if you cannot, you know, afford to get it in like a one-shot lump sum deal. So that is great, you all. I'm loving that all these companies, you know, cater to affordable buying and affordable purchases, especially as a luxury brand that is like top notch, y'all. So happy about that. I just absolutely love animal print, especially like my, you know, leopard as you all see today and my cheetah prints, but now I'm happy to add the Dalmatian print to my love and family of animal prints. So yes, you all. I'm gonna quickly add this strap and, you know, show you as far as lengthwise for anybody who wants to purchase this bag and see where it hits them, you know, on their waist, or if they want to wear it crossbody. So here's how lovely she's looking with her strap on. Still super cute. I am a top handle type of gal, so I will be rocking it with the handle, but you know, this is a great option, especially when you're like, you know, busy on the go, food shopping, and you need both hands. So this is a great option, and it is adjustable. So here's where the bag is hitting me, right, you know, around my hip area here. I am very tall, I am 5'9", and this is where it is hitting me. And if I decide to wear her and rock her crossbody, here is where she's hitting me. Still very cute. Turn her to the back. That's the crossbody to the back. So yes, you all, that completes my luxury unboxing video of my new Brandon Blackwood bag. I hope you all enjoyed it. This will be the first of many more to come down the line in the future. I'm super duper excited. So let me know all your thoughts, you all. Do you own a Brandon Blackwood bag? Do you want to get your hands on a Brandon Blackwood bag? Let me know, you all. Thank you guys again for stopping by and tuning in. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.